stop looking for remote jobs anymore, because I've got a good news for you. Now tell me why this particular AI remote jobs actually pay me $78 just by recording tags. Now, this new AI remote job is a platform for contributors to pay real people in dollars. And what this remote job does is that you record audio and voices for AI training. And the beautiful part of it is that once you gain up to 10 points, that 10 point is equal to $1, and it is widely accessible to over 150 countries, including Nigeria, Kenya, India, and a lot of them. So if you are a student, a busy mom, or a 9-to-5 worker still looking for a remote job, a side hustle, then this particular new remote AI job covers you. Now all you have to do is just get paid by recording, or is just recording tasks. But I'm not assuring you that you are going to get up to $1, but it depends on how diligent and how hardworking you are to do this AI job. It's just for people that have smartphone and computer and a quiet room where you can be doing this recording AI tasks. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how you are going to sign in, because you definitely sign in with your Gmail. Yes, they are going to confirm your email, so don't miss any part, because if you miss any part, that means you just want to fail on this particular AI job. You don't want to do it, so you need to watch it to the very end. But before I show you, do it to give this video a thumbs up. Yes, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn your bell notification, because I normally give updates about AI remote jobs. Okay, so come with me, let me show you how you are going to do these things. Let's do it together. The name of this particular app that allows you to record tasks and get paid is called Pillar 8. So once you type Pillar 8 in your browser, you click on their website. So once you click on their website, it will now take you directly to their website. Yes, so let's wait for it to load. So now here we are on their website. So this is how the interface looks like, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to apply for this particular remote work. Okay, so now here they say flexibility remote contributor work, get paid to have conversation, make money on your own schedule by completing just simple recording tasks from your phone or laptop. So you can use your phone, you can use your laptop, you can use your MacBook laptop, or any laptop you have, any phone you have, be it Android and iPhone. Record conversation and other audio that help train AI whenever and wherever works for you. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to apply, and you will see how it works. Okay, now in this particular remote work, it is a contributor platform that pays real people for just recording audio and videos. Okay, now here are available projects. We have about 12 projects that is available now. We have the one of single person. You pay about $10 to $18 per hour. We have English conversation, then that is mainly for English people that are interested in the English field. Okay, now they pay them up to $20 to $30 per hour. Emotional acting $15 to $25 per hour. Now these are the gadgets that are available. We have phone or laptop friendly, flexible schedule, clear task instructions, visible submission status, approved walk-ins credit. Now this is an opportunity you need to explore. And taxes, we have the single person script reading. If you want to apply it, you apply, and we have it about 1,000 plus people has applied. And if you are interested in this single person script reading, and you click on apply, and this is how much they pay per hour. The English conversation, the emotional acting, the English transcription, the Korea dialect chat and agent conversation partner, the English amateur voice acting. Now this is not where it ended though. You can click on number 2, it will open to the next chapter, or you click next, and you are going to see a lot of them. Okay, and know the one that is suitable for you to apply. and you are going to see the payment per hour they are going to be paying you. Okay, now this is what people are saying about it. This one is working from home. This one is coming from Mexico. Get presented with many opportunity, guys. This is a beautiful opportunity, because when I was using this, it's actually helping me, because I was seeing so many opportunities, like opportunities that I've never seen in any remote job like that. Okay, so you can read through these ones and see what people are actually saying about these people. And the beautiful part is that once you gain about 10 points is equal to 1 credit. Yes, and this is how the credits and payout works. Now you are going to see the estimated pay before you can even consider starting. Then you reviewed every submission and all of that. Now this is the total balance updated, like the one that they just updated as the time I'm making this particular video. Now they have about $1,240. now they have approved about 57 tasks. You can see it right here, 57 tasks. Then about 12 tasks are still on pending. Yes, from their own updated. Now the conversational audio, like people that are into the conversational audio, they have approved about $15 plus people. Then workflow, you can see it. Now these are frequently asked questions. I just want you to calm down and go through these things before you apply, or before I will show you how you are going to apply. But we are going to come to all these sites. Okay, so if you want to apply, you just click on this apply now. Once you click on this apply now, then we click on continue with Google. Once you click on continue with Google, then you wait for it to process. Okay, so while we are waiting for it to process, don't forget to like this video, subscribe. So here they say I should put my email. Yes, my Google. So I will put my Google. Then select my Google, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you wait for them to process your email. So now here they say start your application. Guys, we are here to create a pillar 8-3. So you wait for it to start your own application. You are not going to press anything, or it will just automatically bring you to this site where you are going to fill your form, and we are going to undergo 4 steps here. Yes, so right now we are in the first stage. So you are going to put your name. Let me say my name is Uchenna. Then my last name is Mike. Then here gender, if you are a male, put your gender. I'm a male. Then race, ethnicity, if you are black or American, just depending on your ethnicity, you can just click. Like for me, I'm from black, which is African American. Okay, so here month of birth, you put it. Okay, you put the year, you put your year. Let's say my year is 91. Then you put your occupation. What kind of work do you do? If you don't do anything, just put something. Okay, so let's say you can be a teacher. Okay, then how do they will ask you, how do you actually find the site? You can say, how did you hear about them? Let's say you got it from Reddit or anything. So here you have a referral code. It's optional. If you have people that are referring you through their link, you put their code. But I'm not putting my code because YouTube doesn't allow me to share links for now. So you click on continue. Okay, now we are entering the second step. So here we click on region, country of residence. You are in Nigeria. Make sure you put your country of residence. Then here you said state of origin. Your state of origin, I've imputed it. Okay, then you come over here and click on I understand my country selection will be used for your payout. You make sure you tap on this icon so that this blue icon will be ticked. Click on continue. then it will move you to the third steps, where you can pick the language you want to speak most fluently. So I speak English more fluently, proficient, advanced, and very advanced. Then you click on what best describes your accent. Now if you put what best describes your accent, like the one that best describes your language here, and for the sake of this I'll just put New Zealand. Then what country best matches your accent? US. Okay, so then here you select where you are born in and where you live in US. If you have been, you say yes. If you have not been, you say no. So let me say no. Then which country did you grow up in? You select the country you grew up in. Nigeria. Okay, make sure. Then which city did you grow up in? You put the city. I put here. Okay, let me say Lagos. Okay, so while you are putting it, make sure that everything is correct. Okay, here they say you should put your highest education in English. If you have lesser than higher school or bachelor degree, let's say I have a bachelor degree, then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, now these are your information. Now you make sure you go through it, make sure that everything is correct. Once you are sure that everything is correct, click on I confirm the information I provided. Then you click on you agree to submit only my own recordings. Then once you have clicked it, you click on submit application. Then your application will be in progress. Now they have brought us to this place, guys, where we are going to unlock our project and do our final audio challenge. Now here they said once you pass, you will be able to start recording tasks in the project available for you, and you have about 20 trials and we will give you immediate feedback. Okay, so now for you to start, you click on start first task. Then make sure that you read everything here. Make sure that you read everything here. Okay, so this is what you are going to be doing till the very end until you answer the question correctly. So if you want me to make another video about how you are going to answer this question, let me know in the comment section, because if I start answering this question, it will be too long. This video is going to reach about, let me say, 30 minutes or up to 1 hour. Okay, I know you wouldn't want that. So by the time you do all these things and you got them correctly, they will give you job already and tell you what you are going to record. Okay, so make sure you read every question carefully before you submit. So you have about 20 attempts to do this. Okay, so keep doing it, and yeah, if you do it and once you pass it, you'll be qualified. Okay, so now this is all about this pillar 8. Pillar 8 has been an amazing job. Okay, now once you do it, then you come over to you come over to their main site to upload videos. Okay, now let me show you a sample. Now once you have finished answering their question, now let me show you how you are going to upload your video, your tags. Now you see this plate that is said start contributing. Yes, ready to record. Now you click on apply now, but before you start this, you make sure that you have already started your application has been successful. Okay, once you have your application is successful, this place that is said apply now will be out. What you are going to be now seeing is, I think, something start. Yes, because they are asking you ready to record, so you are going to see start here. So once you see that start, you click on that start, then it will take you to how you are going to start your recording AI job. Okay, so now this is all about this pillar 8. So if you find this very interesting and something that you want to try, or something that worth your time, do it to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let me know, then turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload any remote job like this. Okay, so thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Congratulations on your new remote job application. Bye.